Budgies can live from 5 to 10 years, but with good, proper care, they can live up to 15 years at most. 2. Budgies are very talkative birds in the United States. Female budgies can only talk for 5 words or more because their mindset isn't that as smart as male budgies are, and they can learn from 100 and more words if taught. Budgies are the only parrots with 2 toes. Budgies are the most popular bird in USA. Green is the most popular color. Budgies' digestive system is very quick, so budgies do poop every 15 minutes, which may sound odd, but it's true. Budgies can almost turn their head completely